What has wings, fur, and can hear everything?
Welcome to KMNH, Kids Making the News Happen.
You guessed a bat? Then you are right. We have lots of brown bats in our neighborhood. You probably have seen a little brown bat because it likes to roost up high in buildings and houses. Even though there are a lot of them in our neighborhood, they are listed as an endangered species. Little brown bats rarely test positive for rabies. However, if you think you came in contact with a bat, you should call your local health department or just go right away to the ER. You don't want to wait. Bats eat mosquitoes and other insects. Did you know that one little brown bat can catch 1,000 mosquitoes in 1 hour? So 20 bats means 20,000 mosquitoes gone in an hour. Some people think of bats as pests, and some think they are the coolest animal ever. But nobody can dispute that they really do help us.
If you remember Theo's story about the unpredictable wind and weather in Cincinnati, then you might be interested about other weather stories around Ohio. Back in 1886, a man named Charles Brush and his engineering company built the first working windmill in his home and had it running until the 1900s with the name Windmill Dynamo. His engineering company also brought the wonders of the windmill to the rest of Cleveland from 1887 to 1888. Now, fast forwarding to today, large countries like China and the US use wind energy the most throughout the entire world. They've also updated windmill models with fiberglass and carbon fiber blades and motors that are 100 meters long for maximum efficiency and energy, all from the ideas of just one man in one engineering company over a century ago, all in Ohio.
Welcome to Happen Street Smarts. I'm Echo. So let's walk, talk, and learn about Northside. Electric transportation is nothing new in Northside. In fact, most of Cincinnati's public transportation, including our neighborhood, was supported by electric trolleys, or what we call now streetcars, until 1951. Back then, you could catch the 17 car and ride all the way up to Clifton, all on electric power. You heard it here on Happen Street Smarts.
Hi, my name is Jude and welcome to sports. We'll be starting with MLB. The American League won the All-Star game. At the break, Aaron Judge leads the league in homers, Garrett Crotchet leads the league in strikeouts, and the Reds' one and only Ellie De La Cruz leads the league in stolen bases. Next, the MLS. FC Cincinnati's Miles Robinson is going to the Olympics. He has had a single goal for FC so far this season. FC is still leading their division. Now for a little Olympic preview. Team USA is looking great in basketball, and it will be exciting to see FC's Miles Robinson on Team USA Soccer. We'll talk more on the Olympics in a few weeks. Finally, the Tour de France. Tadej Pogacar looks like he'll be winning both the yellow and polka dot jerseys. Beniam Girmay is looking like he will likely be winning the green jersey, and Remco Evenepoel looks like he'll be winning the white jersey for a second year in a row. Thanks for watching. I thank Otto for the pictures. Bye!
Thank you to United Reliance for supporting this KMNH broadcast.
Happen's Do Goods Garden has over 350 plants, and most of those plants need a little bit of help to stay upright. Happen received a lot of help with 600 tobacco sticks from a farm in Adams County. Our friend nicknamed Pup from Adams County supplied us with these tobacco stakes and saved all of these tomato plants from hitting the ground. You can use all kinds of materials to stick up your plants, so tell us what you would use in the comments below. We combined these tobacco stakes to help with angled growth. But first, we should learn what really is a tobacco stake. A normal tobacco stake is about 4 feet long, and it's about 1 or 1.5 inches wide, and about 1 inch thick. Pup said that these were his grandpa's tobacco stakes and are about 50 to 60 years old. And some of the tips of the stakes were whittled by his grandpa himself. and these stakes are originally used to hang and dry tobacco in tobacco barns. Even though Pup's grandfather's tobacco farm is gone, his hard work still continues to help happen. So watch our next episodes, like and subscribe, and until next time, thumbs up.
Thank you to Kathy Fletcher Realty for sponsoring this episode of KMNH.
Thanks for watching KMNH. Please leave us a comment and make sure to like and subscribe to the Happen Inc. YouTube channel so you don't miss our next broadcast of kids making the news happen.